So guys, for the first method, once you're on Google Chrome, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and now you want to click on settings. And now once you're on this, you just want to search for mode. We're going to scroll down, and now under appearance, you should now be seeing mode. You want to click on the drop down, and you want to select dark. That's how you do it. For the second method, you want to search for Chrome Store. Click on it. We should now be seeing Chrome Web Store. Now once you're on this, you just want to search for dark mode, Google Chrome. And we should now be seeing a bunch of these right here. I recommend going with the highest reviewed one and one that has been verified with the tick right here. So you just want to click on it and then click on add to Chrome, and it should now be dark mode for you. However, I recommend going with the first method instead, or you could go with the third method, which I'm going to show you right now. For the last method, you want to find your Google Chrome shortcut. Now once you find that, you want to right click on it and then click on properties. And now once you're on this, make sure that you're on the shortcut tab. Now next to target, we're going to go to the very end, and now you want to put a space and then type in -force -dark -mode. Now you want to click on OK and then continue, which should now make Google Chrome dark mode. So there's 3 ways on how you can do that.